If you are struggling with hair loss, you want to grow your hair, if you have both spots, your hair is stagnant, and you need an amazing oil for your hair, try these two recipe. You're going to love it. So this is my hair before, this is my hair before, and this is my hair after using this oil as a leave-in and oil treatment. Hi loves, welcome to today's video. So today I'm going to be doing a hair growth oil that's going to penetrate your hair, and this hair growth oil is very potent. It's going to help you to grow your hair. So inside this jar I have cloves, I have rosemary and avocado. So I am adding in my oils because I'm adding this pure almond oil because I tried blending it and it was not blending, so I have to add oil to blend it. Why am I blending it? Because of the cloves and the rosemary. Okay, so I mix these three ingredients together to get an amazing hair growth oil that's going to penetrate your scalp and help you to thicken and grow out any bald spots you have. So these are the oils I'm using. I use coconut oil, almond oil, and Jamaica black castor oil and olive oil. All right, so I added all my oils inside this before I proceed in the blending. If you're new to the channel, hi, welcome. My name is Naturally Jessie. Here I create a lot of amazing ingredients that's going to help you to grow your hair. I did suffer from hair loss, baldness of hair, and I am on my journey of growing them back. So I hope this ingredient helps you as well as it helped me throughout my journey. So I'm adding in all my essential oil inside this. Then we'll move to the next step. I mix everything together, then I will blend this, and you blend it to be in a paste. Okay, blend to be in a paste. After you have blended to be in a paste, you can transfer it in a plate. Then you can now transfer it in your pan. So I'm not going to be doing a double boiler method here. Okay, so I'm going to be transferring this in my saucepan for it to get me the oil. Yeah, and you have to stay close to this oil so that it does not get burned. So right now I'm adding in Moringa oil. Moringa helps to penetrate your hair strand and helps moisturize your hair. It helps to thicken your hair. It helps to grow newer hair growth. So I'm also adding neem powder as well. Neem powder is very beneficial for your hair growth. If you are suffering from hair loss, try neem powder. It's going to help you to regrow your hair. Okay, so I added this green tea and mint leaf. Okay, this is so good. I also drink this as well, and it's really good. Mint leaf is so powerful for your hair. It stimulates blood circulation to the scalp. It cools your hair. If you are suffering from irritation, use mint tea. It's going to help you to cool your scalp. So I'm just mixing everything together. Green tea helps in stopping hair loss. So every ingredient I use has an amazing benefit for your hair growth, all right, and also helping you to stop hair loss. So I'm going to be transferring it into a saucepan just like this. Please put this on a low heat for 10 to 5 minutes. Okay, so as I said earlier on, stay close to your ingredient so that it does not get burned, and also put it on a low heat. So I lower my heat, then I'm going to keep on stirring this till I get the consistency I need before I transfer it to get the oil. So I keep on stirring. As you guys can see, I use this as a hot oil treatment. I use this as a leave-in treatment. So you can use this as a hot oil treatment. Hot oil treatment, you make the oil a little bit hot, then you put the oil on your scalp, mostly on your scalp. Then the remaining one you can run it down to your hair, and especially the ends of your hair as well. So after putting it in your scalp, massage your scalp very well. Then you can now either sit down again on a hot cap or use a towel on your hair, and after 30 minutes you can rinse it out. So the oil is ready. I'm transferring it into my cheesecloth so that I can bring out the oil from it. So I used this on the day that I made my new braids, so I was using this as a leave-in. Yes, so when I did my new braids, I was applying this on my hair, and I'll show you guys my 2 week result of using this oil on my hair. All right, so I hope this ingredient I use helps you out to grow your hair, even your front edges, thickens your scalp, your hair in your scalp, okay, to help you to thicken the hair in your scalp as well. So I pressed a lot of this, and I got the oil I need, and I'm going to be using this as a oil for my hair. So love, the oil is ready. This is how shiny the oil is. Use this on your hair and your hair is going to thrive. Okay, so on this day I have made this particular braid, and I always refresh my braid every other 2 days or every other 3 days, depending on how the weather is in my country. Okay, so this is my hair after 2 weeks of using the tea and the oil. So my hair always feels so good each time I use the oil. Use it on your hair and you will know, you see an amazing result. Okay, besties. And I'll be showing you guys the next oil I did, and that has helped me to boost my hair. So this is the second oil, and it just needs 4 ingredients. You need coconut oil and coffee and moringa. Okay, so in a bowl like this, I'm going to be using 1/8 cup, which will give you 31 ml. Okay, so that is what I use to measure the coconut oil. Then for the Jamaica black castor oil, I think I used a teaspoon or 1 teaspoon thereabout, but I'm going to show you guys the measuring spoon I use anyways. So I just added that inside, and after that, so this is 1 tablespoon, so that is 5 ml. So after that, I'll be adding my moringa powder, which I'm using a teaspoon of moringa powder, and I also used a teaspoon of coffee as well. So you mix everything together. Moringa helps to moisturizes your hair and helps you to grow any thin edges you have. Coffee, the caffeine in coffee helps to stimulate blood circulation to your hair follicles and also helps to treat anything you have in your scalp. So this ingredient is super powerful for hair growth. All right, so you can use this as a hot oil treatment as well, and you're going to see amazing results. So in my previous video, I used this oil as a hot oil treatment and I loved how my hair felt afterwards. But this one is going to be for a leave-in. Yes, about the coffee smell, I did not bother with it. You know, coffee has strong smell, so I did not really bother with the coffee smell. Yes, love. So after this, after 10 minutes of infusion, and this is what we have, I will be transferring this into my bottle just like this, and I store this sorry guys, my throat. I store this for 1 week before I use it on my hair because I wanted it to be more potent so that the coffee can infuse more into the oil. So this is the day I started using it on my hair. That was 2 weeks after the other 3 weeks after the other oil I used, because I left this oil to sit for 1 week before I use it on my hair. So this was the beginning of the third week or the 4th week. So this is the after 2 weeks of using it. So my hair is almost in we're in new month, so I used this half of last month, and this new month we are in so as well. So I'm still using it on my hair, and I'm just trying to lose one of my braids to show you how thicker my hair has been and how fuller my hair is. So you can see from my roots, there's a lot of thickness from the root of my hair. This oil is so beneficial for your hair. So what I used to lose my hair, I use leave-in condition to lose my hair. Then this is how thick my hair is. I'm going to be rebraiding this. Okay, so when I notice my braids are kind of messing up or my hand is itching me to try to lose my braids, I lose it and add oils and rebraid it back. So I'm going to be adding in that oil I just did, which is the moringa oil and the coffee. So what I'm doing right now is just to separate each strands of my hair to make sure that I don't have any knots and I'm still going to apply more leave-in condition to soften the hair as well before I go in with the oil. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, share, and comment. Use any of these two oil and you see amazing results on your hair. Okay, this oil has been helping me in this month, and I think I'll be using it for a very long time. All right, so the oil I did previously has finished, so that's why I am doing these two different oils, and it's so amazing. You can see my hair is growing. You can see that there's a difference in my hair in terms of darkness, in terms of thickness, in terms of length, and in growth as well. So I hope you try any of these ingredients or any of these hair growth oil. Let me know if you're going to be trying it, and let me know how it has helped your hair. I love hearing your feedback, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video with me. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, share, and comment, and I'll see you on my besties in my next video. So I'm just going to be braiding this. After braiding it, I'll show you guys how the hair looks like. Yeah, guys, so I'll see you all in my next video. Please stay subscribed, and again I want to say thank you all so much for all the massive love I've been seeing in the channel. You guys are the best. Okay, without you all there won't be any Naturally Jessie. So thank you all so much for all the massive love I have been seeing. It makes me get new ingredients or new DIYs to try for you all. So this is my hair, and yeah, I'm done. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.